Yes, the next chapter is arrays. What is array? Normally the meaning of array is you are building, right? Like a shelf. Okay. So array is a sequential collection of elements of the same data type. Okay. So normally if you declare integer a, you can able to get only one element. Okay. If we want to get 100 of elements, okay, if I declare int student number, I can get only one number. Okay, if I want to enter 100 student number, how can I enter? So I have to use array int student number and 100. Okay, if I declare like this, I can able to get 100 student number within the program. It is also called as a homogeneous data type. Homogeneous means the same data type. All the student number data type is same. Everything is number, right? So it is a sequential collection of elements of the same data type. That is array. So how can you declare an array? So the syntax is data type, array name and index. So data type is what type of data, either it is an integer or float or character, whatever. So example, integer a of 5. So for this, using a, I can assign 5 elements. How to assign a value? Integer a of 5 equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am assigning 5 values to the array a. So normally array location always, memory location, always array location starts with 0. Array location, we can change that, but normally array location starts with 0. So if you see, after assigning the value, the memory location will be, this is called a of 0 and this is a of 1. And both are small a, okay. So this is a of 0 and this is a of 1 location. In a of 2 location, the 4 will be assigned, and in a of 3 location, 5 is assigned, and a of 4 location, 6 is assigned. So this is called one-dimensional array or single-dimensional array or simple array. Whatever the name, everything is same. It is a sequential collection of elements of same data type, or we can also call it as a set of homogeneous data stored in a single variable name. Okay, single variable name. This is a is a only single variable. I can store set of data. That is called array. Okay, that is single dimensional array. The next one is double dimensional array. It is a sequential collection of elements of the same data type stored in a matrix format. Previously we have seen like a stack like structure. Okay. So here this is only one row, right? So if I want to store the data in a matrix format, that is called double dimensional array. It's a sequential collection of element of the same data type. This is same as what you are written in a one dimension. Same. It is stored in matrix format, that is in x and y axis. That is called double dimensional array. The declaring an array is data type, array name and 2 index are specified. Okay. So a of 3 cross 3. Okay. Example, how you are declaring integer a 3 3. That is, so 3 is, so design like the memory location will be for the first row, first column. This is second row, second column. This is third row, third column. Okay. So first row, first column, what is the element? 2. And first row, second column is 3. So how to assign a value for double dimensional array? In a of 3, 3, you are assigning first row 2, 3, 4, this is the second row 8, 5, 6, and the third row 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 2, 3 and 4. So 8, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. So what is the location of 10? They will ask. So this is the a of 3, 2. And what is the location of 11? A of 3 comma 3. So this is called as a double dimensional array. And the next one is the multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array means 3-dimensional array or more than 2-dimensional array is called as an multi-dimensional array or 3-dimensional array. So how will you declare an array is data type, array name, index. So how many index you want, you can declare it. So example, integer a of 3 3 4. So this will be different how it is. So this will be so for example, a of 2 3 cross 3. This indicates that is 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, how will you define 3 rows 3 columns? It will be in a memory like this. So how many this 3 rows and 3 columns? 2. So the memory location indicates like this. So this is called 3-dimensional array. 3-dimensional array will be stored. Okay, this is 1 and 2. This is 1 1 2 3 2 3 and 1 2 3 1 2 3. So if I specify the element 1 1 1, the value will be here. Okay, so where the 8 is stored, a of 1 of 1 of 1 is equal to 8. So this is the memory location for multi-dimensional array. So if it is increases more than more, the boxes will be increases. Okay, so this is multi or 3-dimensional array.